So on an aftermarket bumper, swapping out the factory fog lights for a set of Diode Dynamics LED lights. Now, the mounting surface is different. This is the factory sport mounting style. This right here would be the sport Rubicon with LED lights mounting style here. But not the metal bumper, with the plastic bumper. The problem I'm running into is that this being an aftermarket bumper, it's got its own style of mounting. So, wedge our way into here. Right here, I took these mounts off of the stock plastic sport bumper, screwed them into here, and I can now use these mounts on this side, and I can use the Rubicon and Sahara, that's what these are, Rubicon Sahara style mounts with the 4 holes upside down. Just flip it right way up. This will allow me to use the Rubicon Sahara mounts with 4 holes. Now, other issues. What I had to do was these mounting plates here, I stepped up the holes to a 3/16. Reason being is that the drill bit, the screws I'm going to use would not quite fit through the holes. So I wanted to make the holes of the mount here match up to these holes on the bumper. There we go, with low lighting, there we go. So, with this bumper plate taken off the old stock bumper, which is stored in the barn, these are original mounting holes. So I'm going to have to put a nut and washer on here. We use a locking nut. Bolt them down on both sides. So I'm stepping up the holes here and these plates on the 4 corners to match the holes in the bumper. These holes are already a 5/32, so it don't take but a hair. Alright, with the holes modified, I'll slide that into place and put nuts on the back. On the tool bag. As I'm working on my Jeep, little visitors have showed up. Secured that side down, secured this side down, connect the jumpers up, zip tie the remaining harness out of the way because now I lengthened it. I'll come back and trim the tails off the zip ties. Now, repeat on the other side. One thing I noticed that helped tremendously was I turned my tire. Being as I'm still pretty skinny, I just slipped in right in this area here, sat down and went to work. So now, same thing on the other side. Slide myself in here, loosen the torque fits. Do here, and take this factory mount back right here. This was on the stock bumper. Using my ignition wrench, alright, I'm good with that. Here we have the fog lights.